guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this section we will be taking on the nerve supply of the pharynx. So the pharynx is supplied by the pharyngeal plexus of nerves, which is chiefly on the middle constrictor. This plexus is formed by the pharyngeal plexus is formed by the pharyngeal branches of vagus and pharyngeal branches of glossopharyngeal nerve and the pharyngeal branch of superior cervical sympathetic ganglion. So this pharyngeal plexus is present on the middle constrictor. So it is found by the pharyngeal branch of vagus, pharyngeal branch of glossopharyngeal nerve and pharyngeal branch of superior cervical sympathetic ganglion. And now for the motor fiber. The motor innervation is done by the cranial accessory nerve through the branch of vagus to all the muscles of the pharynx except stylopharyngeus. So the stylopharyngeus is supplied by the glossopharyngeal nerve. Now for the sensory fiber, or general visceral afferent. So this afferent nerve is from the pharyngeal is through the glossopharyngeal nerve mostly, and sometimes partly by the vagus nerve. That's how the sensory fibers are moving from the pharynx. Now, however, in nasopharynx, it is by the maxillary nerve. So even though the sensory fibers is mostly through the glossopharyngeal and partly by the vagus, however, in the nasopharynx, it is by the maxillary nerve. Now, and also in the soft palate and tonsil, it is by the lesser palatine and glossopharyngeal nerve. Here we can see the lesser palatine and glossopharyngeal nerve. Now for this taste sensation. So the taste sensation is from the internal laryngeal branch of vagus and from the valvular and epiglottic area. And from the valvular and epiglottic area, the internal laryngeal branch of vagus nerve carry the taste sensation. And the parasympathetic innervation is by the lesser palatine branch of pterygopalatine ganglion. So the parasympathetic is by the lesser palatine branch of the pterygopalatine ganglion. Now for the arterial supply. By the arterial supply, it is same as that of the palatine tonsil. Arterial supply is the ascending pharyngeal branch of external carotid artery, the ascending palatine and tonsillar branch of the facial artery, and dorsal lingual branch of the lingual artery, and greater palatine branch of maxillary artery. So here we can see the same arteries are supplying. Sorry, it's not the nerve, it's the artery. Same arteries are supplying the palatine. Here we can see the greater palatine branch of maxillary artery, ascending pharyngeal branch of the external carotid artery, and tonsillar branch and ascending palatine branch of the facial artery, and dorsal lingual branch of the lingual artery. Here it is the same arterial supply for both drainage. The venous drainage is to the internal jugular vein and facial vein. That's for the venous drainage. For the clinical anatomy. Clinical anatomy include mainly the dysphagia. It is the difficulty in swallowing. That's all for this topic. Hope you like this video and thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you don't like it, dislike it. And subscribe my channel so that I will get motivated to create more videos for you. And click on the bell icon and click on the all so that you will get notification on my future videos. And share this video to your friends and comment this video so that I will improve my videos for you. Thank you, and we will meet soon.